Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. With its utility, stylish comfort, and desire for adventure, the Odyssey is everyone's happy place. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.